Here we are the day after another storm coming. We got Fred stuck in the driveway. And he's been out there for a while. I have to get a shovel and help him out. Oh, there we go.
What can I do to help?
Nothing really. I'll get it out.
Kevin, thank you ever so much.
You'd be all day on that thing. And I have a feeling all this stuff here is going to end up in front of your driveway.
I think you're right. But you know what? I just as soon have them do that. Can you see how far it is from the mailbox to the edge of the road? I can't even shovel that out.
Yay! Steve, how you doing?
No, I'm not going to work. I called. Hi, Terry.
Hi.
I called this morning. And
Work's open.
your work's open?
Yeah. But the road's
Still in a state of emergency.
So you gotta go to excuse. You can't go in.
excuse.
Yeah,
I got to catch an airplane. I'm supposed to be flying out of here last night.
Yeah, this just said yesterday.
Is it running? They said that not all airlines are running.
Well, as of 7 o'clock, the airport was still closed.
Oh dear. Well, it's a gorgeous morning.
You might as well cancel it now.
I would think so. Yeah. They said that the airport was open this morning. I did hear that.
Yeah, that's what
But
I.
they said that most of the flights are going to be canceled.
Yeah, that's what I heard too, Steve.
Yeah.
Is he stuck again?
No.
No, he's readjusting the chain.
Of his blade.
So Kevin, tell me about your car.
Oh, my car is parked over at Jefferson Avenue School, and I walked home last night.
Yeah.
And this morning, the plow finally came through, I guess at midnight.
No, it didn't. I think it was like 4 o'clock this morning.
4 o'clock this morning.
That's when I heard it.
Tell them.
Hey, see you later, Fred. Thank you. You're welcome.
Have a good day, Fred.
Good job.
I didn't hear it till 4 o'clock this morning. I don't know whether it had come through before. You think it came through earlier?
Someone said 11.
Oh.
Kiss.
Oh, I don't know. So now what's happening?
It's a good vehicle.
Wow.
Clean one, too. Then Colleen wanted me to do the bottom of her driveway, and I started going down there, and I lost a chain.
Oh.
Low on gas. So I finished off here, went to the gas station, got gas, came back and plowed Dad's car out on Fencewood
With the tractor?
with a tractor.
Oh, you went down with the tractor to
And I helped
fence?
some other guy get his out, had to tote him out with a chain.
Oh, for heaven's sakes, you've been a good Samaritan.
Then I went and did Hotchkisses.
Oh, did you?
And then I finished off the Dodges.
Well, Hotchkiss
And then I've
didn't
been
get
helping Fred get out of his driveway.
Hotchkiss didn't get home last night, Sally said.
No, but
He stayed in Canandaigua.
Colleen's there. She shoveled the whole driveway by herself,
She
By hand?
by hand.
Oh, you're kidding.
No.
Hours.
Oh my goodness. Well, you've been out there working.
You wanna go get your car now?
Yes.
Your car's over at Jefferson?
Avenue School.
Well, good luck.
Well, I was stuck on a lina, and I shoveled it out, and then I parked in Jefferson Avenue. It was a free spot, the only free spot I could find. When I came back, they plowed a lina. So I could have parked it. I could have parked it right on a lina. I didn't
Oh,
want to leave it off the side of the road because they would have buried it
no. You said there were about 100 cars there at Jefferson Avenue?
at the school. Yes.
You suppose that's plowed?
Oh, it's all plowed.
Oh, what? Well, last night it was.
Yes.
Well, you need some help going over and getting your car out?
Oh, my dad's gonna take me. Thank you.
He drove it in last night.
It's all clear. It's just gonna
It
be
is clear.
hop in and drive away.
I get the tractor here. It looks like it's submerged.
Oh. Well, your tractor did a good job, so you went down
Yeah. I
to Fencewood with your tractor.
Ranger.
Yes, I did.
Oh, that was smart.
Yes. Yeah. But didn't do
Did Dad know you were going?
Yeah,
When I got stuck
he came
there
down.
on, Fencewood, there was a four-wheeler stuck right in front of me, and he just left it, and I couldn't get by him, so I left my car through. There were about 4 or 5 of us lined up.
Just
there.
lined right up as far as
Yeah.
you could go.
Nobody could go. And even if I could get by him, I couldn't have come down this road anyways.
Oh no, it's terrible. Heck, there's 2 feet of snow on the level.
What's your story, Steve? How'd you get home?
I stayed home.
Oh, you didn't go yesterday?
Oh, I never even bothered. I got up in the morning and I looked outside and I said, there's no way I'm going on the highway.
You were smart. I
But-
can't believe Ken kept a dentist appointment. Boy, that's...
Well, it was 8 o'clock.
Yeah, you could go then.
There's only about 6 inches, and by noon there was about 2 feet.
I see Fred got another job there, huh?
He picked up down the street.
Yeah.
Oh, did he? Oh, did he?
Yeah, they
There's no sense of fighting. The worst thing is,
gonna have just as big a problem as I have trying to get in there, so.
I want to know how come Alina got done yesterday and we didn't.
I would think they would come right around.
I heard they got as far as around the end over in here on Harvest. Luke
Yeah.
was telling me that,
Yeah.
and then they turned right back off and went out of the neighborhood.
Oh, that must have been where they got hung up down here then.
That could be.
At Fencewood. The snowplow got stuck there and they had to get a backhoe in to pull it out. You can see the snow down there. It's all over the place where they tried to get it out. Yeah.
Oh, okay, because I wondered how
So-
come Alina had preference
Yeah.
over Harvest. I was going to complain. See,
I just don't think they can get through.
Oh, they just couldn't get through. Sally was all upset down there because, you know, when you can't get out of your driveway and you think of an emergency or something.
Yep.
It's,
One more time.
Okay.
yeah, okay.
Oh, I saw Kevin out in front and I go, wow, this is great.
Well, you know, I saw
You see how
you.
far away from the mailbox he is. You see how thick that was, how
At
deep
least
it was.
6-8 feet.
Well, you know, I saw you working yesterday, and I knew Kevin had a air flight today, and he had to get ours done. You know,
See you later, Fred.
And it's,
Hey, you got another job, huh?
Yeah. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get my apartment done.
Oh, jeez.
and there's a,
Hey, thanks for your help.
Take care.
and the head gas.
It's working hard.
that's a good shot.
Perfect timing. Everybody shoveled out and now he comes by.
And we didn't get filled back in.
Oh,
We
you wait
survived
till
it.
he comes back through here. I hope he wins the thing right back and get it over and done with. It should be, I would imagine he's going to take a pretty good swing.
Didn't we?
Oh, yeah.
We really did.
They got the hard stuff out of it.
We're lining up the boxes. It's got about 8 feet to push in on everyone.